Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to design a stunning product poster in Canva. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'll be sharing some pro tips to make your poster look incredible. So, stick around till the end to learn how to create eye-catching designs that impress your audience. Step 1. Starting with Canva. First things first, head over to Canva and select Instagram post as your canvas size. Open it up and let's get started. Step 2. Upload your product image. Next, upload your product image and add it to your canvas. Once it's in place, remove the background and adjust the size properly. Remember, a clean and well-aligned image is crucial for a professional look. Step 3. Choosing the background. Now, it's time to set the mood with a gradient background. Go to Backgrounds and search for Gradient. Choose a gradient color that complements your product's vibe. This will make your poster visually appealing and modern. Step 4. Adding stylish elements. Let's add some creative touches. Go to Elements, search for Golden Gradient Circle, and add it to your design. Send it to the back and apply the duotone effect. Select Custom to fine-tune the colors. This golden glow adds a luxurious feel to your poster. Step 5. Decorative confetti effect. Now, go to Elements again and search for golden confetti. Choose a subtle, elegant one and reduce the size. Apply the duotone effect with a color that matches your design and set the transparency to 50%. Send it to the back to create a stylish, layered look. Step 6. Adding your brand name. It's time to brand your poster. Add your brand name using a bold and stylish font. To make it pop, apply the hollow effect and set the text color to white. Adjust the size and placement to make it stand out. Step 7. Lighting effects. To give your poster a dynamic touch, search for light effects in Elements. Choose a light that suits your theme and adjust the size accordingly. Send it to the back for a glowing, professional finish. Step 8. Adding a golden label. Search for golden label and add it to the design. Edit the colors to match your product, then add the price text on top. You can also include a 25% off badge. Just search for it, pick a dynamic one, and customize the color. Step 9. Final touches. For a professional and polished look, add a shadow effect from Elements. Adjust the opacity and size to give your design depth. You can also add a square element as a subtle background layer, just like I'm doing here. And that's it. You've just created a professional product poster like a pro. If you missed any steps or need help, leave a comment below. I'm here to assist. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care and happy designing!